Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, we will see how we can export and import the MongoDB database using the CLI. So let's start with the video. So let's first connect to the server. Uh, we can use this command to connect to the server. So you can see I am connected to my server. I have already MongoDB installed on this server. So let's connect to the MongoDB. So to connect to the MongoDB, we can use this command mongosh -u for username and -p for password. Enter password. So let's see how many databases are there. We can use command show dbs. So you can see we have a database sweetloft underscore db. So how we can export this database? So let's exit from the MongoDB shell. To export the MongoDB database, we can use this command. I will put all these commands into the description also, so you can check it out. Paste this command. So you have to change the database name here, the database which you want to export, and authentication data is admin, and your database password. And MongoDB username. You have to change the username, password, and the database name. So if you want to learn how to install MongoDB, so you can go to my channel Code Sagar. I have created some videos how to install MongoDB on Ubuntu server and how we can create a user and enable authentication and how we can allow remote access to the MongoDB. So you can check out these videos also. After changing the credentials, press enter. So our database is exported. So let's see. So you can see dump folder is created. So go to dump ls. So here is the database folder sweetloft underscore db. So you can go to this folder also and check out the JSON files. So we have exported all the MongoDB database. So if you want to import this database which you have exported, so you can use the other command. To import this database, you can use this command. So after the DB, you have to enter the database name and then the path of the folder. Dump sweetloft. Press enter. So this will import the database. So you can check. Let's connect to the MongoDB. Show DBs. So you can see codesaga underscore db is imported. So in this way, you can export and import the MongoDB database. So I hope this was very helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.